if your Meta smart glasses won't turn on, here's how to fix it. Start by placing the glasses in the charging case and leaving them connected to power for several minutes, making sure the case itself has enough battery. Next, check the charging contacts on the glasses and inside the case, ensuring they are clean and properly aligned so power can flow correctly. Also, press and hold the power or multifunction button on the glasses for a few seconds, watching closely for any light or sound response. Then, remove the glasses from the case and place them back in again, confirming they sit fully and trigger the charging indicator. Finally, try charging the case with a different cable or adapter and repeat the power on attempt to confirm the glasses respond. For more wearable tech tips, watch our next video on fixing Meta Smart glasses not charging.